Welcome to Calvince Learning Math. Let us look at this nice equation. Solve for beta, and we're given that beta raised to the power 5 over 2 equals beta squared times the root of 3. So the first thing is just write everything to a power. We're going to have beta raised to the power 5 over 2 equals beta raised to the power 2 times the root of 3 can be written as 3 raised to power 1 over 2. The next thing would be to square both sides of this equation. So that squared is equal to that squared, so that we have 2 and 2 will cancel, so we are left with beta raised to power 5 equals 2 and 2, that is beta raised to power 4 times half times 2, that is the same as 1. So we have this is 3. So this can be written as beta raised to power 5 equals 3 beta raised to power 4. So we can move this to the left so that we have beta raised to power 5 minus 3 beta raised to power 4 equals 0. So on the left hand side, we can see that beta raised to the power 4 is common. So we can factor it out so that we have beta raised to the power 4 into beta raised to the power 1 minus 3, and that equals 0. So a product of these two numbers is equal to 0. It means one of these must be 0. So we can say that beta raised to the power 4 equals 0, so that when we get the fourth root of both sides, or when we raise both sides to power 1 over 4, we find that beta equals 0. And then we can also take that beta minus 3 equals 0. So we have beta minus 3 equals 0, and this will mean that beta equals 3. So we have the two values of beta, that beta equals 0 and that beta equals 3. So we can try and check if this solution is correct. Remember what we had was, let us do what we call checking. So we had that beta raised to the power 5 over 2 equals beta squared times the root of 3. So if we take that beta equals 3, then we'll have 3 raised to the power 5 over 2 equals 3 raised to the power 2 times root of 3 can be written as 3 raised to the power half. So we can apply laws of indices on the right hand side. Remember, if you have two numbers, a raised to the power n, and you're multiplying that by a raised to the power m, then that is the same as taking a raised to the sum of the two powers. So it means we can write this as 3 raised to the power 5 over 2 equals 3 raised to the power 2 plus half. So that 3 raised to the power 5 over 2 equals to 3. 2 plus half is the same as 5 over 2. So both sides of this equation are equal, to mean that our solution, that beta equals 3, is true. So you can take your time and do checking for the other one where beta is equal to 0 and see what you get. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and see you in the next video.